Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rishi here from the Drunk Passion channel, and today I will be drawing from request of Hogging Victory Gaming. He requested me to draw Rapunzel from Disney. So now here is my Hyperlapse tutorial on, guess what? Yeah, I already mentioned it, Rapunzel, and I hope you like it. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel, turn on the notifications on for my future videos, and hope you like it. See the video, and if you have any recommendations you can type it in the comment section below, and if you want to appreciate the drawing, also comment section below. And the music of this video is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Stay COVID free, stay safe. Bye.